Guten Glück, advance German language, pardon, sorry. I said good luck for tomorrow. Oh, thanks, sir. I mean, Dankeschön. Dankeschön is another German language. Means thank you, sir. You have not a cat in hell's chance of getting through. Oh, of course. Okay, you will not get any chance to run away from the prison. You will not get any chance to run away from the prison. But I may surprise everybody, said Ivan. Ivan said that he may surprise everyone. Okay, मैं हर एक को सरप्राइज कर दूंगा. At 8:30 the following morning means the next morning at 8:30 a.m. Evans had a visitor. In the cell of Evans came a visitor. Evans की सेल में एक आदमी आता है. Two visitors, then come two visitors. It means there are two visitors in the cell of Evans. It means two person comes in the cell of Evans. He tucked his grubby string vest into his equally grubby trousers. Evans was wearing very grubby, very dirty clothes. Okay, he tucked his vest in his trousers. अपनी बनियान को अपने trousers में घोंस लेता है. Stood up from his bunk. Now he left his bunk and stood up. Bunk is a slab. In the prison, in the cell, there is a slab which is known as bunk, and on the slab, on the bunk, sleeps the criminals. उस बंक पर कौन सोते हैं? Criminals सोते हैं, अपराधी सोते हैं. Now he left his bunk and stood up to see the police officers in front of him. अपने सामने दोनों पुलिस ऑफिसर देख करके वो खड़ा हो जाता है. And smiling cheerfully, and he gives a cheerful smile. Morning, good morning, Mr. Jackson. Is indeed an honor. Oh, Mr. Jackson, really, you have given me an honor to come in my cell. मेरी सेल में आकर के तुमने मेरा बड़ा ऑनर किया है, बड़ा सम्मान बढ़ाया है. Jackson was a senior prison officer on D-Wing. Jackson was the senior prison officer on D-Wing. Jackson D-Wing का एक बड़ा ऑफिसर है. And he and Evans had already become warm enemies. And Evans and Jackson are the bitter enemies. Evans और Jackson आपस में बड़े कट्टर दुश्मन हैं. At Jackson's side stood Officer Stephen along with Jackson. Or beside with Jackson, and another man was standing. That man was also an officer named Stephen, as I told you earlier in the starting of the chapter. A burly, a stout, mota, healthy, not fat. It is healthy, surely looking man. Oh, really? His personality was quite great. He was looking like a man. Only recently recruited in the profession, and he was recently appointed. He was recently appointed in the police department. The police department में अभी हाल ही में भर्ती किया गया था. Jackson nodded curtly. Jackson responded with courtesy. उसने सम्मान के साथ कहा, okay. And how is our little Einstein this morning? And how is our little Einstein? हमारा छोटा Einstein कैसा है? Now Jackson calls Evans Einstein. Einstein was a scientist. He was a very famous scientist. In the same way, Evans is very famous criminal. As we know that Evans the Break. His name is Evans the Break because he has run away 3 times from the prison, from the cell. क्योंकि वो जेल से 3 बार भाग चुका है. So Jackson calls him as an Einstein. Oh, was not he a mathematician? Mr. Jackson? Mr. Jackson, was not he a mathematician? क्या वो मैथमेटिशियन नहीं था? क्या वो मैथमेटिशियन नहीं था? I don't think was a Jew. Mr. Jackson? Mr. Jackson? He was a Jew. Jew is a caste in Christian. Jew क्रिश्चियन में कास्ट होती है जिसको यहूदी बोलते हैं. Ivan's face was unshaven. Evans has a long beard. He wore a filthy-looking red and white bobble hat upon his head. He was also wearing a red hat, which was looking very dirty also. जो बहुत ही गंदा लग रहा था. It was red and white hat. Give me a chance. Give me a chance, Mr. Jackson. Jackson, मुझे मौका दो. I was just going to shave when you burst in. When you were coming inside, I was going to shave. मैं shave करने जा रहा था. When you burst in, when you entered. Which reminds me, he reminds me. Jackson turned his eyes on Stephens. Okay, यानी कि Stephens remind Jackson. Stephen reminds Jackson that he was going to shave. Who was he here? Evans was going to shave. Stephen reminded me. Stephen ने मुझे याद दिलाया था कि Evans shaving करने जा रहा है. Make sure you take his razor out of the cell when he has finished. When he completed his shaving, Mr. Stephen, just take out the razor. Just take out the razor from the cell. तुम इस सेल से रेजर को बाहर ले जाना. रेजर में क्या होता है? रेजर में ब्लेड इंसर्ट किया जाता है. A blade is inserted or a blade is put inside the razor to make the shave करने के लिए. तो इस रेजर को अपने साथ बाहर ले जाना. Scraping that ugly mug of his when he would finish his shave. जो अपनी शेव खत्म कर लेगा इस रेजर को बाहर ले जाना. One of these days he will do us all favor. Now he will do all the work as we will tell him. वो सब काम करेगा जो हम उसे करने के लिए कहेंगे. बिकॉज ही इज इन आवर सेल. वो हमारी जेल में है. एंड कट हिज ब्लडी थ्रोट एंड ही कैन कट हिज ब्लडी थ्रोट विद दिस ब्लेड. और इस ब्लेड से गला भी काट सकता है. सो बी केयरफुल. यू विल टेक आउट दिस रेजर फ्रॉम द सेल. तुम इस सेल से इस रेजर को बाहर ले जाना. For a few seconds, Evans looked thoughtfully at the man standing. Ramrod stood in front of him. Actually, Jackson was standing in front of Evans. And for a few seconds, Evans kept on looking at the face of Jackson. Jackson, who was standing there in a quite alert form. Stiffness. जैक्सन पुलिस ऑफिसर बिल्कुल अकड़ के खड़ा हुआ था. As he was going to fight. जैसे वो लड़ने जा रहा हो. A string of Second World War medals proudly paraded over his left breast pocket. On his left breast pocket, some medals were hanging on his uniform. Okay, because he was a senior prison officer. He had solved so many matters of crime. वो क्राइम के बहुत सारे मैटर सॉल्व कर चुका था. तो medals were hanging on his uniform, on his shoulder. Have you seen such type of people who have medals on their shoulders, like our army officers? Okay, our senior police officers. Mr. Jackson, was it you who took my nail scissors away? Jackson, क्या वो तुम ही थे? It was you who would take away my nail scissors, my nail cutters also. मेरे सेल में नेल कटर था, नेल सीजर था, क्या उसे तुम ले गए थे? Evans had always worried about his hands. Evans was very careful. Evans was very careful about his hands to cut his nails. And your nail file too. Arey, Mr. Evans, I also took out your nail cutter. Look, for a moment, Evans' eyes smoldered dangerously. All at once, there was a big anger in the eyes of Evans. Evans की आंखें तो गुस्से में लाल हो गई. Evans' eyes got red with anger. But Jackson was ready for him, and Jackson was also ready to face Evans if a fight happens. अगर लड़ाई होती है तो वो जैक्सन लड़ने को बिल्कुल तैयार खड़ा हुआ था. Orders of the governor, Evans. Evans, it was the order of the governor to took away all the dangerous articles from your cell. ये गवर्नर का आदेश था कि इवांस की सेल से जितने भी डेंजरस थिंग्स हैं सब बाहर ले जाओ. His voice, he leaned forward.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
But it is the main problem in your phone. अपने फोन का नेटवर्क ठीक रखो. ओके, चलिए. He leaned forward and leered. वो आगे की ओर झुका. Okay, it is the order of governor. Understand? So he leaned forward, आगे की ओर झुका, and leered and saw bitterly at the face of Evans. और Evans के चेहरे को बड़े कड़वाहट बड़ी निगाहों से देखा. His voice dropping to a harsh. The voice of Jackson was very harsh. बहुत कठोर आवाज थी उसकी. Contemptuous whisper. There was a hatred. There was a hatred in the voice of Jackson. जैक्सन की आवाज में नफरत भी थी. जैक्सन की आवाज में नफरत भी थी और गुस्सा भी था. You want to complain? तुझे मेरी कंप्लेन करनी है. You want to file my complaint? Let it कर लो. Evans shrugged his shoulders. Evans raised his shoulders. कंधे उचकाए. Lightly, the crisis was over. The problem was solved. Evans listened Jackson very carefully, and Evans thought that it is not good. It is not good just now to fight with Jackson. इस समय जैक्सन से लड़ना अच्छा नहीं होगा. You have got half an hour to smarten yourself up. Now Evans, you are being given half an hour. तुम्हें आधा घंटा दिया जा रहा है to make yourself smart. तुम्हें अपने आप को स्मार्ट दिखाने के लिए, शेविंग वगैरह करने के लिए. Evans, take your bloody hat off. Just remove this very dirty hat. इस गंदे हैट को सिर से निकाल दो. Me hat. Evans put his right hand lovingly on the top of his filthy woolen hat. Now Evans put his hand on his dirty red and white hat and said, "Oh no, I will not remove this hat." Smiled sadly. Do you know, Mr. Jackson, it is the only thing that has ever brought me any sort of luck in my life. This is a very good thing, a very pious thing. Or you can say, it is my lucky charm. It is my lucky charm, and it brings all the happiness to me. ये हैट मेरे लिए एक लकी चार्म है मेरी फेवरेट थिंग है, लकी चार्म है, मैं इसे उतार नहीं सकता, ये मेरे बड़ा भाग्यशाली है, इट ब्रिंग्स फॉर्चून टू मी, ये मेरे लिए अच्छी बात से लेकर के आता है, ये मेरा भाग्य बनाता है। काइंड ऑफ अ लकी चार्म, इफ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, यू नो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, तुम जानते हो ना मैं क्या कह रहा हूं। एंड टुडे आई थॉट विद मी एग्जाम, एंड टुडे आई हैव माई एग्जाम, और आज मेरा एग्जाम है, एंड ऑल दैट, एंड इट वुड बी माई लकी चार्म, ओके, इट वुड मेक मी पास इन माई एग्जामिनेशन, और हो सकता है ये मुझे मेरे एग्जाम में पास करा दे। Buried somewhere injection with a tiny core of compassion. Okay. Somewhere in the corner of his heart, somewhere in the corner of his heart was buried some compassion, some kindness. जैक्सन के दिल के किसी कोने में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी दया भरी हुई थी। नॉट, कहीं ना कहीं समवेयर इन द कॉर्नर ऑफ द हार्ट ऑफ जैक्सन वाज बरीड काइंडनेस। जैक्सन के दिल के किसी कोने में कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी सी दया भरी हुई थी। इवांस न्यू इट, एंड इवांस न्यू इट, इवांस इस बात को जानता था। Just this once, then Shirley Temple, but just not here. They are very long. If there was one thing that Jackson genuinely loathed, okay, it was the thing which Jackson hated. उसके लंबे बालों से, गंदी दाढ़ी से जैक्सन नफरत करता था। About Evans, it was his long wavy hair, उसके लंबे बाल और गंदी दाढ़ी से। Get shaving, okay? Now start your shaving. अपनी शेविंग करनी शुरू कर दो। Now, listen. Next paragraph very seriously, because there may be a suspense. यहाँ पर सस्पेंस हो सकता है। At 8:45 the same morning, at 8:45 the same morning, the Reverend Stuart McLeary left his bachelor flat in Broad Street. You know, a governor had appointed a father for the invigilation in the cell of Evans. गवर्नर ने इवांस की सेल में एग्जाम के लिए एक इन्विजिलेटर बुलाया था, एंड दैट वाज अ फादर फ्रॉम ए चर्च, और वो फादर था एक चर्च से। इसमें वेरी केयरफुली। नाउ एट 8:45 द सेम मॉर्निंग द रेवरेंड हिज रेस्पेक्टेड स्टुअर्ट मैकलीरी केम आउट फ्रॉम हिज बैचलर फ्लैट। वो अपने बैचलर, और जो बैचलर है, कुआरा है, अपने फ्लैट से बाहर आता है। हिज फ्लैट वाज इन ब्रॉड स्ट्रीट, उसका फ्लैट कहां पर है? ब्रॉड स्ट्रीट पर है, ये उसका एड्रेस है। Stepped out briskly toward Carfax, and he just moved toward the Carfax. The weatherman reported temperature considerably below the normal for early June. Now on the radio an announcement was being done. रेडियो पर एक अनाउंसमेंट की जा रही थी। What was that? The weatherman was telling that the temperature will be low, the normal. The temperature will be down, okay? Then the normal, इस temperature normal से नीचे चला जाएगा। टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल से नीचे चला जाएगा जून के महीने में। And a long black overcoat, a shallow crown clerical hat, and a shallow, हल्का सा छोटा सा crown clerical hat provided. Now Mr. McCreary was wearing a long black overcoat and a clerical hat, एक hat पहन रखा था, and welcome protection from the steady drizzle. The The light rain was dropping. हल्की सी बारिश पड़ रही थी. He was also wearing an spectacles. उसने एक बड़ा चश्मा भी पहन रखा था. And hat was protecting his spectacles from getting wet. और जो उसका हैट था वो उसके चश्मे को भीगने से बचा रहा था. Getting or not? चलिए. Which now spattered the thick small brown thick lenses of his spectacles, and the thick he was wearing the spectacles of thick lenses. उसने मोटे मोटे लेंस का चश्मा पहन रखा था. किसने? मैक्लीरी, जो फादर थे. मैक्लीरी was wearing the spectacles of thick lenses. उसने मोटे मोटे लेंस का चश्मा पहन रखा था. In his right hand he was carrying a small brown suitcase. In his right hand he also had a small brown suitcase. उसके राइट हैंड में एक छोटा सा भूरे रंग का सूटकेस था. Which contained all that he would need for his morning duties. And in the suitcase he had all those things. In the suitcase he had all those things which were required for the invigilation of examination. उसके सूटकेस में हर वो चीज थी जो उसे एग्जाम कंडक्ट करवाने के लिए जरूरी थी, आवश्यक थी. Not getting. Okay. क्या था? Including a sealed question paper envelope. In his suitcase he kept a sealed envelope of question paper. क्वेश्चन पेपर का एक सील्ड एनवलप था, एक लिफाफा था. A yellow invigilation form, and he also had a yellow form of invigilation. उसे दिखाने के लिए कि मेरा इन्विजिलेशन फॉर्म है, वो भी उसके पास था सूटकेस में. A special authentication card, and he also having an I-card, okay, which was proving that this man was sent for invigilation. तो ये प्रूव कर रहा था कि इस आदमी को इन्विजिलेशन के लिए भेजा गया है. Getting or not? नहीं आया समझ में? Okay then, from the examination board, because that card was given to him. That I-card was given to him by the board office. बोर्ड ऑफिस ने उसे वो कार्ड दिया था, ये शो करने के लिए कि दिस मैन इज क्वाइट राइट फॉर द इन्विजिलेशन ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन. अ पेपर नाइफ, ही आल्सो हैड अ पेपर नाइफ, जिससे पेपर काटा जाता है. अ बाइबल वाज द होली बुक ऑफ क्रिश्चियन. हेलो. Bible is the holy book of Christian. He also had this in his suitcase. He was to speak to the women's guild that afternoon on the book of Ruth. Actually, after the examination, he had to attend a meeting with the Christian ladies. Okay. And he also had to express his ideas on the book of Ruth. And a current copy of the Church Times. Church Times is the name of the newspaper. And he also had a current copy of the newspaper. उसके पास उस दिन का न्यूज़पेपर भी था. Getting or not? चलिए. The 2-hour examination was scheduled to start at 9:15 a.m. Okay. The examination was of 2 hours. Examination was of 2 hours, 2 घंटे का एग्जाम था. And it had to be started at 9:15. And it had to be started at 9:15. और 9:15 पर वो एग्जाम आपका शुरू होना था. Getting or not? Okay. Evans was lathering his face vigorously when Stephens brought in 2 small square tables. Now, द सीन इज चेंज, सीन चेंज हो गया. इट इज द सीन ऑफ इवांस सेल. अब इवांस की सेल का सीन है. इवांस वाज लेदरिंग हिज फेस. इवांस वाज जस्ट लेदरिंग मींस वो अपनी शिफ्ट कर रहा था. हिज फेस वाज फुल ऑफ लेदर्स. साबुन के झाग उसके गाल पर शेर पर बने हुए थे. When Stephens brought two small square tables. Stephens brings two small square tables in the cell of Evans. Stephen Evans की सेल में दो स्क्वायर टेबल्स लेकर के आता है and set them opposite each other, and he just set these tables in the opposite direction. Okay, in the narrow space, because the cell of Evans was very small. Evans की सेल बड़ी छोटी सी, और क्रिमिनल की जो सेल्स होती है वो बड़ी नहीं होती है, तो छोटी सेल्स होती हैं. Okay, narrow space between the bunk on one side and on the other this tempered stone wall. ये बंक हो गया उसका, इसका स्लैब हो गया, ये उसकी छोटी सी स्टोन वॉल हो गई. बिटवीन द बंक एंड द स्टोन वॉल वर केप्ट टू स्क्वायर टेबल्स. बंक और स्टोन दीवार के बीच में दो टेबल डाल दी गई थी. नेक्स्ट, Stephen brought in two hard chairs, and now second time Stephen brought two hard chairs. दो चेयर चाहिए. Two chairs are required for the examination, one for the invigilator and one for Evans. एक Evans के लिए और एक invigilator के लिए. वो आगे बैठेगा वहां पर उसकी सेल में. Yes or no? The slightly less battered. Okay, the chair was almost it got smoothened. चेयर थोड़ी सी घिसी हुई थी बट सही थी. which he placed in front of the table, and Stephen put the chairs in front of the table like that, as in that form. And between the chairs there were the tables. और चेयर्स के बीच में क्या थी? टेबल्स थी. Okay, which stood near the cell door, and one chair was near the cell door. Okay, इसकी सेल बड़ी छोटी सी थी, तो एक चेयर बिल्कुल सेल डोर से लगी, बिल्कुल पास रखी हुई थी. Jackson put in a brief final appearance. Behave yourself, lady. Jackson look at the wall of the cell very minutely. जैक्सन ने सेल की दीवारों को बड़ी बारीकी से देखा. Behave yourself, lady. Lady means boy. Behave yourself. Okay, अपना व्यवहार अच्छा रखना. Evans turned, okay, and nodded and responded, okay sir. And these Jackson pointed to the pin-ups. Now Jackson pointed toward the pin-ups. Pin-ups means pictures, photos. Some photos were placed on the cell of Evans. कुछ फोटो इवांस की सेल की दीवारों पर लगी हुई थी. Jackson told Stephens to just take away all these pictures, just remove all the pictures from the cell of Evans. Evans की सेल में जितनी पिक्चर लगी हुई हैं इन सबको निकाल देना. Off. Evans turned and nodded again. Evans turned, okay, responded again. I was going to take them down anyway. Okay, I'm just going to remove all these pictures. मैं सही पिक्चर्स को सेल से निकाल दूंगा. A minister, isn't he? Now Evans asked a question from Jackson. I have heard a minister is coming to my cell to take my exam. मेरा एग्जाम लेने के लिए कोई मिनिस्टर कोई फादर आ रहा है क्या? The chap coming to sit in, I mean, the chap, any person, any man to come, okay, in my cell to sit. कोई भी व्यक्ति मेरे सेल में आ रहा है बैठने के लिए. And how did you know that? Asked Jackson quietly. Jackson asked peacefully, how did you know that? तुम्हें कैसे पता कि एक फादर, वेरी केयरफुली, तुम्हें कैसे पता कि एक फादर, अ फादर इज कमिंग टू योर सेल टू टेक योर एग्जाम, कि एक फादर तुम्हारे सेल में आ रहा है तुम्हारा एग्जाम लेने के लिए, कैसे पता? वेल, आई हैड टू साइन सम फॉर्म्स, डिडंट आई? ओ, मैंने कुछ फॉर्म साइन किए थे ना. देन आई हर्ड, आई कुड नॉट हेल्प. क्या करूं? I can hear everything. मैं हर बात सुन लेता हूँ. Evans drew the razor carefully down his left cheeks. Evans just drew the razor down on his cheeks very carefully. There was a sweat. यहाँ पर एक निशान पड़ गया था, because the leather was removed with the help of blade and left a neat swathe in the white leather, and there was a neat space, a clean space on his cheeks. Can I ask you something, Mr. Jackson? Mr. Jackson, can I ask something to you? तुमसे जरा कुछ पूछ लूं? Mr. Jackson, why did they have to bug me in this cell? Why do you keep me in this cell? He nodded his head vaguely to a point above the door. He responded his head, or he moved his head, but not clearly, to a point above the door. He was looking at the cell door and asked him, why do you keep me in this cell? तुम मुझे सेल में क्यों रखा है? Not a very neat job, considered Jackson. Jackson confessed, you have not done a good job. तुमने कोई अच्छा काम नहीं कर रखा है. Okay, so we keep you in this cell. इसलिए हम तुमको इस सेल में रखा है. They don't honestly think I'm going to try to. It means you are not thinking honestly. आप honestly नहीं सोच रहे हैं. लगता है you have doubt in your mind. हमारे माइंड में डाउट है that I would run away. मैं भाग जाऊंगा. They are taking no chances. Evans, we don't want to take any chances. हम कोई चांस लेना नहीं चाहते. Evans, we are very careful. Nobody in his senses would take any chance with you. तुम्हारे साथ तो कोई चांस लेना नहीं चाहेगा. अगर कोई व्यक्ति होश में होगा ना तो तुम्हारे साथ कोई चांस लेना नहीं चाहेगा. That man will keep an eye at you. Okay, हर व्यक्ति तुम पर अपनी निगाहें जमाए रखना चाहता है. We will not want to give you any chance to run away from the cell. हम तुम्हें सेल से भागने का कोई चांस देना नहीं चाहते हैं. Who is going to listen to in? अरे अंदर कौन सुनेगा? Who will listen the conversation here in my cell? I will tell you who is going to listen in. Lady, boy, I tell you who will listen your conversation. It is the